पणजेचो महापौर सांगता ते प्रमाण कार्निवल परेड पणजेच्यान मिरामार शिफ्ट करचे पयलीं तांकां खंय विचारलेंच ना। तो म्हणटा आसूं पणजेकारांक मजा करपाक मेळ्ळी काय जालें। आतां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खात्यान 3 कोटीचे मार्केटाचे लायटीचे बिल महापालिकेक धाडला। ताचेर रोखडोच कितें तो निर्णय जातलो। पणजेचे पार्किंग पळयता त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर लक्ष ना। स्कॅम चल्ला आसूंये म्हूण महापौराकूच दुबाव।
As far as our powers are concerned, when the government comes, all powers will come to fruition. All the development works which have been carried out now by GSIC will come back to CCD, Smart City and everything. In June, the commissioner has to comply in toto because there is a contempt against the commissioner and the mayor. We had ample of meetings with the market tenant association, shopkeepers, everything has been finalized. On the last meeting, they were supposed to come and sign, but somehow they said no, we have to call for a meeting, and we see the meeting has never materialized. Probably they must be waiting the election will take place and they put pressure. No pressure will be put on the public opinion because today we have received, this is also news, today CCP has received a demand notice from the electricity department, Panji, to pay 3 crores as a power bill of the market. Right from the time the market was inaugurated till date is 3 crores. I think sometime back they must have paid. But now this morning I was told that a demand notice has come to pay 3 crores rupees. So why should I let people enjoy carnival? We have no ego. As long as the carnival is smooth, fair and good. To a bad luck, I don't know what's happening in the corporation. Either there is scam with a stopper or pay parking, I don't know what's happening. Our intention is very clear that we want to have pay parking so that there is smooth flow of traffic. But to a bad luck, we got such a contractor who does not even give uniform to his people. Another 2-3 months and his thing will expire. I am told that still some money is to be paid. He keeps on writing letters and letters to us. So I told the commissioner to just act on it.
But then the required infrastructure was also not put in place.
What is required? You require only the painting, thermoset painting. All boards have been put. Now 85% of the roads have been painted. I will tell you, even during election time, I was here in Prudent city on Asparam Baghdad till 12 o'clock at night, along with my engineers and staff, trying to paint. People are not cooperating because the cars are there. You see? Because when the contractor starts that his batti, whatever it is called, he has to complete the other, he spare 25,000 rupees just let it. If he doesn't get a vote for that.
डिसेबिलिटी रायट असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा आणि ब्रदरहूड न्यू दिल्लीन गोंयान ट्रॅव्हलिंग फिल्म फेस्टिवल दवरला। फेब्रुवारी मेरेन गोंयची स्कुलां आनी कॉलेजींनी अपंगूळ भुरगीं आनी तांच्या अधिकारांविशीं जागृताय करपी फिल्मां दाखयतात। फेस्टिवल 6 तारखेक सोमार सावन मडगांवां चल्ला। शेनवारा 11 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन गोंयच्या स्कुलां कॉलेजींनी चलपाचो।
जब आप बड़े हो तो आपकी सोसाइटी में यदि कुछ इस तरह के जो बच्चे हो जो सुन नहीं सकते या जिनमें कोई ना कोई इम्पेयरमेंट है, उनके साथ कैसे डील करना है, कैसे उनके साथ दोस्ती करनी है, उस इशू को कैसे समझना है, वो आपको पता हो, जिससे कि जो पर्सन्स विद एनी इम्पेयरमेंट को हम एक मेन स्ट्रीम का पार्ट बना सकें। तो ये इस फेस्टिवल का एक मेन एम है.
What is the best thing in life? What you can do is give the best to others. Right? The moment you give best to others, you are going to get still better. पण केन्ना फाटी रावू नाका. जे तुमकां मनापासून करून दिसता दुसऱ्या खातीर ते करत रावात.
But the biggest achievement for us today, I would say, is that persons with disability are getting empowered. More and more disabled persons are coming forward to demand their rights. More and more persons more and more the general public is getting sensitized towards issues of disability. We joined hands with the Weekend Film Festival about 6 years back, and this is the 4th time we are having this film festival in Ravindra Bhavan, Malgaon. But I would like to say that we are organizing this film festival to show people the talents, the capabilities, and to remove the misconceptions of persons with disabilities.
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
राशोल सेमिनारीचें लिटररी अँड कल्चरल असोसिएशन आनी गोंय तियात्र अकादमीन मेळून निकतीच राशोल सेमिनारींत आमचे दायज कार्यावळ केली. कार्यावळीक तोमाजीन कार्दोज आशिल्लो.
बरी मूल्य कशी आमचे मदीं येवची हे तियात्रांतल्यान भायर येता. देखून आमी ताका तियात्राक समाजाचो आरसो म्हणून येता, समाजाचें पडबीम म्हणून येता. इतल्याच कारणाक लागून आमच्या जिवितांत जेन्ना हांव म्हणटा, आमच्या समाजीक जिवितांत, राजकीय जिवितांत, धर्मीक जिवितांत वा आनी कसल्या वाठारांत जे कितें समाजाक जाय तें घडटा तें सगळें
सगळ्यात बरो दिसता. खंयच्या ऑफिसांत गेले जाल्यार आमच्या कॅन्डास लायनीक रावप पडटा.
आमचे त्यात्रिस्भाव ह्या पालकाचेर रावन जावं समाजीक जावं धर्मीक जावं संस्कृतायीक संदेश आमकां पाठयता. तियात्राचें व्हडपण सांबाळुया. तियात्र आमचे दायज म्हूण आमी मानून घेवया. फुडाराचे पिळगेक हे आमी फावो करुया.
पणजी भगिनी मंडळाचो अमृत महोत्सवी सुवाळो निकतोच पणजी जालो. सुवाळ्याक आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळेकर आशिल्लो.
आयज महालक्ष्मीच्या सानिध्यान संस्था जन्माक येवन 75 वर्सां जाली. ताका लागून हांव पयलीं म्हणजे तुमच्या सगळ्यांचें अभिनंदन करता. संस्था करप इजी, पूण डेफिनेटली नॉट इजी 75 इयर्स बॅक. म्हणजे आयज जर कोणाकी सांगिल्लें की खंयचे तरी महिलेचें ऑर्गनायझेशन कर जाल्यार इट इज व्हेरी इजी. कांय ना, व्हडलेशें एक एडवोकेटाक घेवप, रजिस्टर ऑफ सोसायटीज वचप, रजिस्टर करप, जालें. व्हडलें कांय ना, 10 बायलो एकठांय येतल्यो. पूण 75 वर्सां पयलीं खंय तरी एक पावल उचलप, बायलांक एकठांय करप.
मंडळ आणि एकत्र कुटुंब ह्या दोघांमध्ये काहीच फरक नाही. एकत्र कुटुंबात सगळे मिळून मिसळून वागतात. मतभेद पण होतातच, पण एकमेकांना समजून घेऊन पुढे जातात.
70 वर्साची वाटचाल खरें म्हळ्यार एक कौतुकास्पद अशी गजाल आसा. हांगा 5 वर्सां 6 वर्सां जाली की संस्था बंद पडटात आनी 75 वर्सां अशी एक संस्था की जाणे सामाजीक, सांस्कृतिक आणि महिलांच्या उत्कर्षा खातीर अनेक कार्यक्रम केले आणि संस्था जिवंत दवरली.
कला आणि संस्कृती संचालनालय, बांगला नाटक.com आणि कला अकादमीचो सूर जहां विश्व शांती संगीत महोत्सव पणजी बरोच रंगलो.
This year, 5 international bands and 3 national bands will be performing in this edition. We have Febuary from Denmark. They will be presenting the Scandinavian folk. You will be seeing very old time music through that band. That's a wonderful band, won many records, and you will see that. Alemolar Quartet, it's a 4-member band again, led by Swedish Grammy winner Alemolar, the guru of world music is here with this. Elika Solo Rafael, they will be, Elika is from Sweden, Solo is from Senegal, and Rafael is from Mexico. So it's a wonderful band for presenting the world music. Then we have Dragas from Czech Republic, and they will be presenting different types of folk music, including from Portugal, Spain, Czech Republic, that entire zone.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट पुडंट.
इतल्यान हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. नमस्कार.